What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm Dave. Alright, first, if this is your first time watching this video, I'm a part-time picker. I sell on eBay. I do videos like going to thrift stores, yard sales, things in that nature. If you like stuff like that, oh, and I resell it on eBay, of course.
Yes, sir.
And if you like things like that, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get that out every couple of videos, because sometimes y'all might just be popping in and like, what's this guy talking about? What's he doing? You know what I'm saying? Well, that's what I be doing. You understand what I'm saying? So first, today, I want to tell you what's sold. And also later, I'm going to do a giveaway. You know why?
Nope.
Because your boy hit 3,000 subscribers. Let me go ahead and put that applause in the air. Alright? Now, I think I hit 3K. Because I looked at it not too long ago. I was at 2,998. Then I look at it again and it's 2,999. Then I hit 3K and then I went backwards again. So I don't know.
Bruh.
Not really keeping a tab on it, but my boys are. My boys are like, those are my little personal assistants. You know what I'm saying? They know when I hit a threshold, when I don't. So they kind of keeping tabs on it for me. You know what I'm saying? So they tell me when I go up and down and all this stuff. Anyway, I'm going to do a giveaway later. I'm not going to do it later, but I'm going to tell you the details about the giveaway later. Alright? So first I want to tell you what sold. I ain't tell that many things, but sold a couple things I was surprised about. Let me say that. First, so these shoes, these is what I was surprised about right here. These shoes right here, these were some I was just going to give away. These actually my boy's shoes, my oldest boy. And man, he ran and he went outside, he played basketball and did all that stuff in there. But they still in okay condition. And I took a best offer. They only went for $25 plus shipping. I think I had them listed at $34. But it's crazy. I mean, when you have stuff around the house and you be like, man, I'm either donate or give it away or do something because it's nothing to you. And then I was like, well, let me see if anybody will bite on these. And hey, somebody bit. These are old Penny Hardaways, if any of y'all know that. Different colorway, but
Bless up.
Anthony Hardaway played for Orlando Magic back in the day. Anyway, so these sold penny fives. Next thing I sold was this old Norco old recorder. It sold for $34.99 plus shipping. Hey, this is the first day I got shipping on all my products. I got it right this time. You know what I'm saying? eBay been kind of defaulting me to that free shipping, but I've been looking lately, so I'm cold now.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, that sold for $34.99 plus shipping, so they're about $44 in. Nice, it works real good. Actually, it was some creepy stuff on here, man. I bought this at an estate sale for $3, and it was creepy. I was listening to some of the recording, and dude was talking all low and crazy, and I didn't get to watch. I don't get into that because they might be watching. I doubt it. And the last thing I saw was an old Franklin dictionary. I remember these, and it still works. I actually still got batteries in it.
Welcome.
Welcome. And basically it's a dictionary. You type in what you want to know and boom boom boom, it tells you exactly what it means. It's an old Google back in the day. You feel what I'm saying? So this sold for what is that for? $18.99 plus shipping, so they're about $25 into it. And yeah, so okay day for me. I was about $110 of sales yesterday, so you know, on a Thursday or Wednesday, I guess it's okay, especially for me. So I got some socks going out too as well, and I always just show you basically the socks that the viewers buy. I sell other socks as well, but those are usually people y'all don't know, so I don't usually sell those unless they interesting, you know.
Yes, sir.
So I want to show you guys a couple of pair from a couple of people, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first pair, some old Kiss. And I'm going to give a shout out. Let me pull them up. I should have this already up. Hold up, let me put this stuff up. Alright, these are for my dude Mike again. Is it Mike? Let me make sure, because yeah, these are for my guy Mike again, alright? He ordered a bunch of Kiss, you know, Kiss socks from me last time, and he ordered some more different pictures, and they turned out great as well. So there's one. You know, your boy's on a good tie. Got that kiss up there. I believe he got these last time. I believe these right here I love. I gotta make a pair for myself. Look at those right there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nice. You feel me? And these right here I like as well because they got everybody. But look, they wrap around. Let me show you what's going on here. So they start there, and then you wrap around. Like you open them up, they wrap around. No, they don't wrap around on that side. They wrap around this way. Do they wrap around? No. These don't wrap around. I'm sorry. Your boy gotta get himself together. I'll show you the ones that wrap around. These are just same this side and that side. Alright. And kind of getting mixed up here. Here we go. These right here wrap around. So we got two band members on this side, and it wraps around all the way to that side. So when you put them on, it's like one big picture going around. So your boy loves Kiss. Alright. And yeah, so he got those 4 from me. Shout out to Mike. And also, y'all know Lance. Lance is hooking up the whole family. I talk about him a lot when it comes to these socks because he buys a lot from me. So let's show some of his. I cropped out a lot. Like he got some, and basically what I did is I cropped them out and put them all over the picture. These is kind of my specialty. Not these, but cropping out people and putting them all over the picture. That's usually what I do. A lot of. So you got those. He sent me some pictures too, and I did the same thing with them. Get it close up, like a vampire getting them to look like, and I put that all over the picture, all over the socks. I'm sorry. And same thing with this picture, all over the sock. It's 2 people. He gave me a picture. I cropped both of them out and just, you know, resized them and put them all over the socks again. And this one right here, he sent me 2 pictures. One of Darth Vader, of course. Then he sent me this picture, and he wanted me to crop the head out and put it in his hand. So I did that. Turned out pretty good. Yeah, and as far as viewers, those are the viewer socks that's going out today. Alright, so these socks right here, I'm gonna do in the giveaway. I was talking about these last time. The guy wanted to remain anonymous. Basically, he wanted to do this for the essential workers. You know, the grocery store, post office. You know, doctors, nurses, police, firemen. You know, everybody who's essential and has to go to work and risking their life basically with all the stuff going on. He just doing this as a shout out to them, and shout out to him for doing it. You know, I mean. Like I said, he didn't have to do it. He was just doing it for the cause. Didn't want his name to be mentioned. All that good stuff. So I'm going to do a giveaway with this, along with some other stuff for my 3,000th subscriber giveaway.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to do it live, though. So probably, one day this week. Today is Thursday. I'm probably going to drop this on Friday. So maybe Saturday or Sunday, I might go live. And I don't know. I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna give these away along with some a couple other pair and some other stuff. I don't know yet. So y'all stay tuned for the giveaway. All right. I mentioned it on my Instagram. Follow me at Tesla Picker. I'll probably mention it on my YouTube as well. So y'all just follow the guy, and I'll let you know when your boy's gonna go live. It will probably be Sunday. Maybe Sunday.
Yes,
I'm gonna go live and do a couple of giveaways, and giveaways are gonna be suspense. It's gonna be these along with some other stuff as well. All right, so y'all stay tuned. All right, last but not least, I wanted to talk about something. I came up with something that I wanted to do. Y'all know how I always say I do this for the culture, the resale culture. I wanted to put that on a shirt, but I wanted to do that along with some other things, and in order to do that, I'm gonna have to reach out to a couple of people. Now, I've already started the process, and I'm sure these people won't mind because they pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about it now. and show you guys a little bit of it. But basically what I want to do is I want to do my slogan. I do this for the culture, and then down below the resale culture, like in a half circle, and then in the middle put basically the logos of the people that I'm involved with, the community basically, and you know, inside. But I want to do it slowly but surely. I wanted to kind of add a different logo every week to this shirt, and I want, you know, y'all to see the process of me doing this. All right, so I've started the process, right? And I just threw 4 heavy hitters in there off the bat, you know what I'm saying? Of course, Lionel from Garage Flips, shout out to him, because he the one that shouted me out in the beginning, and that's why a lot of you guys is watching because of him. Along with Cincinnati Picker, a lot of y'all watching because of him. Part-Time Picker and Commonwealth Picker, you know, all of them in the beginning got me a shout out, and I really appreciate that. That's the reason why most of you guys is watching. I say, and I always say this, probably 0.03% of you guys is watching because y'all just found me off the humble. You feel what I'm saying? My family probably ain't even watching me, you know? So I just threw it in, man, right off the bat. Bing, 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 bing. So that's how the shirt started. And basically, look, I want to, I'm about to make this shirt. Now, I know a lot of you guys will be like, oh, I didn't know you make shirts. I really don't make shirts, all right? Socks is my bread and butter. So, don't ask me to make you any shirts. Nah, I'm just playing. I might every now and then. I only do polyester shirts and polyester stuff every now and then, but I don't make them really for nobody. I do shirts. That's my bread and butter. So, this is basically the start of my thing. You know what I'm saying? And I'm a Part-Time Picker, Commonwealth, you know, Cincinnati, and Garage, Shed Flips. I'm gonna hit y'all up. This is just something that's gonna be hanging in the background. I ain't gonna be selling this. But I'm gonna hit y'all up and tell y'all about it probably before this video even drop. So without further ado, let me set this camera up and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, hopefully y'all can hear me. My air's on right now, and I don't feel like going upstairs and turning down the thermostat. You understand what I'm saying? So but anyway, look, I don't know if y'all can tell what this is because it's backwards, but I do this for the culture. I do this for the culture, the resale culture, and then I got my crazy sock logo, which I got a Tesla Picker logo coming soon. This is my sock logo. This is what I, you know, it's me right there with some socks on. And it says Cool Socks, because Cool Socks is my sock brand. But I put Tesla Picker on it just so y'all know exactly what the hell's going on. Anyway, so I got that one. I got Cincinnati Picker. I got Part-Time, Garage Flips, and Commonwealth Picker. And what I'm going to do every week is I'm going to add, you know, a reseller of the week, basically. All right. So y'all stay tuned. I might try to do that every, I don't know, it's going to be between Friday and Sunday. All right. So that's probably my last video uploading of the week. And it's usually on a Friday, Saturday, something like that. So we'll see. And then, you know me, your boy forgets, so I might forget one week and then throw 2 on the next week, or I might throw 2 on one week, you know, just, look, I'm freestyling with this, you know what I'm saying? You can tell, you can tell I haven't wrote it down. Everything's freestyle, because that's what we do. I'm transparent. I do this for the culture, the resale culture. So, yeah, man, that's what I'm planning on doing. And this is just going to be a shirt that's going to be hanging in the background, or I might start wearing, you know, I don't know how long this is going to go. Like some of these I might have to resize later on to do a official shirt, because look how big they are. Ain't no way. I'm gonna have to put these on the back and everything. So I don't know. This is it. Alright. So should I make it today? Let's go ahead and make it. Y'all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good, people. Peace.